What's going on? It is Julianna and I am back for another video. So today I'm at Starbucks currently and I'm gonna do a little bit of a productive vlog. So I'm just gonna be at home doing cleaning and stuff. I actually had to get out to get some laundry detergent and I wanted to make a quick little run to Starbucks. I'm washing my bedding today and doing a few other little cleaning things. I gotta clean up my room and wash all of my sheets, my pillowcases, everything to make it smell good and make it smell great and amazing. So that's what we doing today. We at Starbucks though. Starbucks is like the best place ever. Honestly, I love Starbucks and I'm here like every day. So yeah. I did not get a shower this morning. I felt fine, so yeah, that's about it. I mean, I put deodorant on and spray body spray. If you guys don't know, I'm like really into hygiene and I take like 2 showers a day most of the time, but my hair just was not feeling it. And I was feeling great, so like why not? Let it be fine. So I look like a hot mess today. Oh my Lanta, you guys, I look terrible. Anyways, okay, I'm at Starbucks and I will talk to you guys when I'm ordering. Also guys, okay, you haven't gotten rid of me yet, so a quick little tip: if you want to make sure that your hair is like never tangled, carry a brush with you in your car and it'll be like the most amazing thing ever. I always brush through my hair to make sure that it looks good before I go into like a store or something. I don't want my hair looking like a whole hot mess, even though it does. I want it to be silky smooth and looking good, so yeah. You guys, this line is ridiculous. I was like way back there earlier, but as you can see, I'm at Starbucks. Starbucks, hey. Like, these lines always be long. Like, I don't even know. Like, look at this. I don't know if you can see that. I don't think you can, but anyways, it's like crazy long. Like, you can't see it, but like it was cray. You guys, it was crazy. So yeah, do a quick little OOTD. I got this cute little jacket from, where is it from? Oh, TJ Maxx. And then I got this cute little black tee from JCPenney's. These black like Nike leggings from where are they from? Oh, Burlington Coat Factory. That place be having some good stuff, like good stuff. And then I got my Air Force Ones on because hey, you gotta be flexing on them X's. So yeah, bye guys. Cause these sunglasses be making me look kind of weird, but you know what I'm saying? I don't know. They're kind of cute, kind of not. I don't know. Okay, let's take them off. It's like super sunny, so like I need some sunglasses. For real, I need sunglasses so bad. I have some in my car, but my car's in the shop. Or it's fixing to be in the shop. So, quick update about my car. I have had my new car. I have a Hyundai Elantra. Or not Elantra, I have a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys are wanting a car tour, when my car gets out of the shop, I will, you know, do a little car tour. But I had like a lot of like damage from like the previous owner. I bought it for cheap and I'm fixing it up because we have someone that does like arm body, like our work on our cars for like a reasonable cost. So I'm doing the front and the back and like getting it fixed up and buffed out and everything to make it look brand new. And I'm doing that for like maybe $800. I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyways, so we are getting my car fixed. It will be in the shop for about a few weeks. And then when it gets out, we got to put like permanent tags on it because, you know, yeah. So that's why I'm in my grandparents' car. And that's why I've been staying at home a lot, because if I'm not in their car, I'm not in any cars. So guys, why in the hell is there a freaking baseball bat in my car? Like, do what? Okay, you guys, I just ordered and I got a venti because I'm needing that caffeine, and I got a venti iced caramel macchiato with 2 pumps of toffee nut syrup. That better be good, because I just spent like $5.90 on a drink, so it better be good. Let me just tell you, it better be good. Okay, you guys, I just ordered, and this drink is like a 10 out of a 10. It is so good. So, yes. Period, sis. Okay, I'm driving, so I gotta go. What's good? Okay, so I'm back home now. I'm a hot mess, you guys, so do not look at this. But anyways, I got my Starbucks, and I love it. It's so good. I'm exhausted because I've been cleaning, but I had to run to the gas station. What? Okay, so I had to run to the grocery store. I had to get some laundry detergent, and then I got these odor block little packets. I'll show them to you guys. Actually, I am cleaning my home because we've already taken down all of our Christmas decorations and everything. I got my laundry going for my bedding and everything. But these are the little things that I'm talking about right here. So they're actually these signature home brand. They're from Albertsons. And if you guys don't know what Albertsons is, it's like a little grocery store that I go to. These are laundry power packs. They help to fight tough stains, and they also help to eliminate odors. And then the laundry detergent that I use is the Persil stain fighter. And then I also enjoy using the Downy laundry detergent. And then I added 2 of those little packets. And then I love these Downy Unstoppables. They are amazing. Excuse all the laundry in the back. But we get these big ones at Sam's Club. And it's like a bulk grocery store, kind of like Costco. And this is in the first scent. Smells amazing. I love these. And we got more down here because we love those and we don't want to run out. I use about 2 of these lids and put them in my laundry because I want them to smell freshy fresh and squeaky clean. Super cute. Okay, so I just did all the dishes. Our kitchen is a literal mess, you guys, so I got a lot of cleaning to do. I'm gonna throw those chips away because they are old. And take the trash out. Boo-boo, I gotta sweep the floors. I gotta mop them. So let's do a little time lapse. Alright guys, I am literally sweating so much. Let me get out of the sun because it is hot as heck. But anyways, I'm sweating. You can't really tell. My cheeks are a bit red. My freckles are really showing through. But anyways, dang, I got some freckles. Okay. Okay, so my dog is like staring right at me. But I've been mopping and sweeping the floors. And let me tell you guys, it is hot in our house. It is very hot in our house. And come on, you can come out here. Come on. Anyways, so it's really hot and I'm exhausted. But my grandma, if you're wondering why my house is like so dirty, it's because I live with my grandparents and my grandma is sick right now. And my grandpa doesn't even really help. So, because he's always busy with like other stuff. So it's honestly up to me to clean. So I got a lot of the household responsibilities, such as laundry and dishes and cleaning the toilets. Just say, you guys, that is disgusting. Why would I be cleaning the toilets again? And bathrooms and cleaning my bedroom. Their room, I don't really clean because it's not really my responsibility. They keep up with that, of course. But like doing the laundry, putting it away, all of that stuff is my responsibility and that's what I do. So, yeah. But, oh my gosh, my hand is shaking because I'm so tired. But, yeah, I've been, like, going. If you guys just saw me cleaning, you guys know that when I start cleaning, I don't stop. Like, I go really fast and I don't stop until I need a break. So, Oh, look, there's a squirrel. My mind is a squirrel. Yup. Okay, so my dog is down here. Look at her. Come here. Hi, what you doing? You know I love you. You know I love you. Guys, I brought my dog out on a walk and it is nice outside. It is so nice. Like, the weather is perfect. So I'm gonna sit in the grass and just let her roam, because the leash, if you guys can't see, the leash is like kind of long. So she just kind of roams around me and she gets her fix of fresh air. My dog loves going on walks. It is so fun for her. And look at her. Literally going in circles. Callie, no. Literally going in circles. So, yes. We love walks. We love walks. Yes, we do. Oh, we love walks. Come here. Give me kisses. She's so funny. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna walk and yeah. Press on manicures collection. These are super cute. I'm gonna put these on and I will show you guys the finished product. So yeah. Guys, these are so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I just did my nails and I got this side done too. So they're super cute and they are supposed to last around like a few weeks or 1 week or so. Apparently not, because as you can see, they are not on my nails and it's been a day. But look at this. These are totally worth it. And this is like way cheaper than getting your nails done, because they don't have, actually have glue on them. And they don't, you don't need glue. So that's amazing. And they're only $8 for this box, but I think it's totally cheap because it's got like 3 or 2 nails sets in here. So you can get your nails like 3 or 2 different times. And they are super cute. So I also got, oh, I didn't even know that was back there. Anyway, so I also got another set of them. So here, let me show you guys. So they're super cute, and I think that they are definitely worth it because they're way cheaper than like getting your nails done for like $40 every 2 weeks. But I got these two, and these are so cute. They're a different shape. They're more of like a shorter shape. These are pretty long for me, but I think that they're super cute and I can make them work. These are more of like the square shape. So yeah, I like these. They're super cute. Guys, I got myself out of the zone and now I do not feel like cleaning anymore. So I need some motivation. And my hair be looking crazy. After I finish cleaning, I'm gonna take in a damn shower. Like, I gotta wait for my nails to settle because these are press-ons. So like, you gotta make sure that they're settled and all the glue is dried, or else they're just gonna pop right off. So I might shower later tonight. I don't know yet. But yeah, boo-boo. Hey guys, it's been a minute. I got my hair done. No, not really. I just put it in a bun and put this really cute headband on because I thought it was cute. So, okay, so I'm literally wearing just a basic outfit because I'm a basic girl. Anyway, so I wanted to kind of share with you guys 2 of my favorite hygiene products. By the way, those nails popped off. They were terrible. Don't buy them. Anyway, so this is the hair perfume in Sugar Bliss from Walmart. It's like their luxe hair perfumery. It's amazing, you guys. Get you some. So yes, and then I also like the not the Bath and Body Works, sorry. I also like the Victoria's Secret spray. So I have this Bombshell and Bloom. It's actually almost gone. And then I have this body spray. It's Neon Palms. It's the Victoria's Secret body spray. This one smells really good, and it smells quite similar to that Sugar Bliss, but not exactly because this has more of a tropical scent. I'm obsessed with skincare and hair care. Do you see this, you guys? I literally have an obsession. It's crazy. So anyways, I am gonna end the vlog here. I hope this vlog was interesting. You got something from it. You got motivated. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.